Yo, Nutri Channel here. So today I'm gonna do an unboxing video. I got some shoes on the sneakers app that really caught my eye, and today I'm gonna show you them on my feet, and I'm gonna review them real quick and show you how they look. Let's get to it. So the shoes I got today are called the Jordan Delta SP Sales. They look kind of funky, like old man shoes, and they're used for casual wear. And I'm gonna unbox this now, so let's get to it, guys. Shit. Let's see. Oh, this tape is easy to take off. I'll just use this knife. Do it faster. Plus, I don't want to break the box inside. So, okay. And let's see what's inside. Hey, the box is fresh. Still, the box is fresh. Ooh. Okay. Oh, look at this box. This is something different. Let's throw this over here real quick. Fuck that. Okay. As you can see, the box looks pretty dope. It's something I've never seen before. Look at that, guys. Something different. Different as fuck, too. And it's my size. Perfect. Okay. Open this box. Guys, open this box. Ooh, I don't know about you guys, but these look pretty dope if you ask me. So these are the Jordan Delta SPs right here. They look pretty funky. Oh, they got like this plastic stuff on the side. Here, let me show you up. Let me show you up close real quick. Okay, I'm here with the camera now. So as you can see, the shoe basically has like this plastic look on the side, as you can see right here. Look at that. It looks like plastic. And like this paper feeling material right here. And a pretty nice looking shoes if you ask me. Something I've never seen before right here too. Look at that plastic stuff right there. Get you up close and personal. Pretty close and personal, look at that. Oh wait, this is like a plastic feeling right here too. And the shoelace is really hard, not gonna lie. The shoelace is really hard. And this part here, it's like a little paper. It looks like paper. It feels like paper too. And it looks like somebody drew on it. Look at that. Different design. Wow. Nice shoes, really nice shoes. Let's put the camera back now. And this is the other one over here. I guess this is the left shoe. No, it's the right shoe right here. This is the right one. And oh yeah, I gotta show you the insole for sure. I'll show you the insole. Look at this insole, bro. Looks like wood. Straight up. I gotta take that out for y'all. I gotcha. Oh, it's stuck on there. Okay, never mind. Oh, it's because it got the stuff inside, so that's why I couldn't take it out. Perfect. Let's get to it. Let's put this camera back. And basically, you know why I wore this sweater anyways, because the shoe goes with the sweater, bro. Look at that. Look at that, bro. Man, I can't wait to wear these shoes. And now, I'm going to show you these shoes on my feet. And I'm going to show you how they look up close and personal. Let's get it. As you can see, guys, the Delta Sales look pretty dope on your feet. They look very futuristic. They kind of look like off-white shoes or some Balenciagas, if you ask me. But these shoes are more for like casual wear. Wherever you go, just wear these shoes. Find a nice outfit and, you know, go crazy. Look at that. What I did not like from this is the foam part from the bottom of the shoe. It looks kind of funky, but still looks very futuristic. And I really loved how the toes look right here. As you can see, you have like the little plastic part, which makes it look like glass, but it's actually plastic. And they look very cool. Oh yeah, and also one thing, these shoes sold out right away on Sneakers app, which is crazy. Okay guys, let's get back to the video. Well guys, this is the Delta SP sale. Pretty nice sneaker. Got it and I'm gonna keep it. This is a keeper for sure. This is my favorite color, ocean blue. And yeah, hope you guys liked the video. Like and subscribe and go crazy. Nutri Channel, all love here.